Good morning, boys and girls. Today and this week we are going to be doing the book Ron Rabbit's Big Day. This is our RARP book for the week. Before we start reading, let's have a look at our steps to success. So, our first step is I can use stretchy snake. This is something we must all be trying to do when we're trying to read our words. We're using stretchy snake, slowly stretching out every sound to make the word. Our next step is I can read or I can listen to the story 3 times. So you can try and read it or you can listen to Miss Megan reading it, but you must listen 3 times. The next step to success, I can find the answer in the text. So when you go to your Kahoot quiz, you look at the words in the book to find the answer. And once you've found the answer, you can answer the question. So I can use stretchy snake. I can read or listen to the story 3 times. I can find the answer in the text. And I can answer the question. And those are your steps to success. These are our reading strategies. The one we're looking at today is stretchy snake. So don't worry about the rest. We're focusing on stretchy snake today, slowly stretching every sound in the word. So let's do my turn, your turn. I will go first and then you will copy. Eeds. Eeds. Your turn. Stretch it out with me. Eeds. Can you put it together? What do you think it is? Needs. Needs. Mrs. Jessup needs 1 bottle of milk. Need is something that we have to keep us alive. So we have to have water. We have to have food. We have to have a home. We need water. We need food. We need a home. We need clothes. Okay? Needs. Okay, my turn, your turn. Listening very carefully. E. Can you stretch it with me? Let's do it together. E. Can you put it together? 3. Here's the big clue. Number 3. 3. 3 bottles for Mr. Chang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Miss Megan's turn, remember, listening carefully. My turn, your turn. Creep-ing. Oh, this one's a long one. Listening carefully. Creep-ing. Let's stretch it together. Creep-ing. Can you guess what it is? Creeping. The man is creeping along. Creeping means sneaking, walking really quietly. You don't want anyone to see you. He's creeping, going really slowly. He didn't want Ron to see him. The man is creeping along. Remember, this double E sound makes an E sound, yeah? Long E sound. Okay, now it's time to read our book. So we're going to read Ron Rabbit's Big Day. I will send you the link. The front cover of this book looks like this: The Trunk and the Skunk and Other Stories. Don't worry, if you keep clicking on the right, you can see that the story that you will have is Ron Rabbit's Big Day. And this will be on the page number 57, okay? Ron Rabbit's Big Day, so don't worry about the front cover. Okay, I want you to listen very carefully as I read the story and follow along with the words with your finger. So listen nice and carefully. Ron Rabbit's Big Day. Ron Rabbit has a new job. He is a milkman. Ron has to get up at 6. The sun is not up yet. Ron fills his van with milk. Then he sets off. Mrs. Jessup needs 1 bottle of milk. Ron dumps it on the step. 2 bottles for Miss Quinn. 3 bottles for Mr. Chang. Mr. and Mrs. Preston have 10 children. They need 10 bottles of milk. Ron is getting the bottles from his van when he sees a man. The man is creeping along. Is it Mr. Preston? No, this man is not as thin, and he has a big black sack on his back. When the man sees Ron, he runs. Stop! Yells Ron. He runs after the man. Ron trips the man up. The man drops the sack and Ron grabs it. The man runs off. In the sack are lots of things. A clock, a pink jug, a big cup, a green lamp, and a cash box. Ron rings the bell. Mrs. Preston is cross. I was asleep, Ron, she says. But then she sees all the things, and Ron tells her about the bad man. Thank you, Ron, says Mrs. Preston. Mr. Preston rings the cops. The cops catch the bad man. Ron gets a medal. Fantastic listening, boys and girls. Well done. I want you to go back to the beginning of the story. You can rewind the video or you can go to the story yourself following the link, and I want you to read it another 2 times. So in total, you will have listened to the book 3 times. When you have listened 3 times, it's then time to do your Kahoot quiz. So follow the link that I will send. Ron Rabbit's Big Day, RARP Day 1. And there are 8 questions for you to do, okay? But make sure you have listened to the story 3 times before you answer the Kahoot quiz. When you're doing the Kahoot quiz, make sure you are reading the questions 3 times as well, okay? Make sure you're looking at every word in the question and trying to find the answer. Let's play the quiz, okay? Let's play the quiz. Let's play question 1 together so you can see how it goes, okay? So Ron Rabbit's Big Day, RARP 1. Okay, so I'm going to read this question 3 times. What job does Ron Rabbit have? What job does Ron Rabbit have? What job does Ron Rabbit have? And then I'm going to look at the book. The picture might be able to help me. The words might be able to help me. Ron Rabbit has a new job. He is a milkman. Let's see if any of these words match. Postman. Does it say postman? No. Police. Does it say police? No, I can't see any words with a p in. Milkman. That begins with a Can I find the word milkman? Milk. There we go, milkman. So I found the answer. So I'm just going to click milkman. Fantastic. I'm just going to close that now, okay? So that's what I want you to do with Kahoot. I want you to make sure that you're reading the question 3 times, looking in the picture of the book to try and find the answer, okay? Good luck, boys and girls. I would love for you to send me videos of yourself reading or following along with the story with your mum and dad. That would be fantastic. Have fun, and I will see you again tomorrow for RARP Day 2.